It is different from people to people, so I might have to answer this question based on my experience. These days, many people have their car, but public transportation like buses or subway are widespread. In my case, I usually take the bus or subway. Since those are by fastest and best convenient way to go to Seoul. There are several lines in me when I commute or hang out with my friends, which are not only convenient way to use but also most cost effective. I mean, it is cheaper to get on a subway or bus than to drive my own car. In contrary, my case, in the other hand, I've heard that before people living on the outside, they prefer to use their own car rather than public transportation.